Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and Xiaomi sent along this mystery box, or mi-stery box, and Xiaomi's going to try and break a world record this weekend where they're going to try and unbox the most things at once. So they've sent along this mystery box. I'm not sure what's in it. They've also sent along another box we'll take a look at in a little bit. Let me lift it up here. It's pretty heavy, but I think you get the idea what's in it. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. So let's go ahead and open this, and thanks to Xiaomi for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. So let's get this knife here and open it up. Now, thankfully, I have an adjustable table. Let me lower it down so I can see what's inside it a little bit better. So inside, let's see what we've got here. A bunch of paper for packing. And let's see what we've got. So we've got a backpack. And I'll go over these one by one in just a moment. Then we've got the Mi Box S. We took a look at one of these last year, and these are really nice, super small, and very nice to use, Android based. We've got a wireless charging pad, a little plush stuffed character, and they sent the Mi 9 Lite, which is great. I was wondering if they'd send a phone. That's what I'm most familiar with them for. And we've got a couple stickers as well. It's the little Statue of Liberty character with them holding a little Mi phone, it looks like. And nothing else in here. So the first thing is this Mi wireless charger. It says 10 watt max, Mi wireless charging pad. Let's see if we can open it up here. And inside, you've got USB-A to USB-C, and then you have, oh, here's the wireless charging pad here. And this is the pad itself. Now, it's got this nice blue color to it. It's got a foot on the bottom so it doesn't slide around, and then it's just a nice wireless charging pad. So that's pretty nice. Let me set that aside. Now, the next thing is the Mi Box S. Let's go ahead and open this up. And inside, you've got a TV box, and this does 4K, and it has an HDMI, USB-A, and audio out, and your power adapter. So you've got all of those things, really nice there. And then inside with it, you've got three different things. You've got a remote, you've got an HDMI cable that comes along with it, and then you also have your wall adapter. So you've got a wall adapter that you can just plug it in and you're good to go. So these are actually really nice. They're very compact. They run Android TV and they work really well. Now the next thing is this backpack. Let's see if we can open this up here. Looks like it's got a Ziploc style bag. And it says Urban Lifestyle. Let's see what we've got inside. So inside, set that aside. Inside it looks like we've got pockets, and they're labeled. So you've got a pocket for your computer and your iPad or tablet. And it's all nicely padded. Then you've got some additional pockets for all sorts of gear or anything else you have. Another pocket here. And then let's take a look at the front here. We've got a side pocket with additional storage inside. A couple zippered spots. This is really nice. There's a lot more in here than you can see. And then there's another zipper on the front with additional storage. So maybe I'll switch over to this because this stores an awful lot of gear. I really like it. You've got a spot here where you can hook your keys. It's pretty nice. So a lot of different pockets. And again, another side access pocket here where you can put more things. Now this side is actually weather tight, which is really nice. That's pretty impressive. This is actually really nice. And this is called the Urban Lifestyle Backpack. So let's set that aside. Now this is the thing I'm most excited about, I think, because I haven't seen one of these. It's the Mi 9 Lite. And if you look here, it says Mi 9 Lite Onyx Gray, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of ROM or storage. So let's go ahead and open it up. That box is really on there, so let me pull this apart here. And it says Mi 9 Lite, 48 megapixel AI triple camera, 6.39 AMOLED, Full HD Plus dot drop display, 4030 milliamp hour battery, and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 710. So that's actually pretty nice. Let's go ahead and take the cover off this. So that blue is really nice on the back. You've got your triple cameras, you've got a power button on the side, a volume button, and then a camera on the front. And then your SIM card slot on the side, which is nice. And then on the bottom, USB-C and 2 speakers and no headphone jack. Now in the box, let's take a look. We've got some documentation here. Looks like maybe a case. So we've got our SIM card ejector tool here. We've got a case, a warranty card, and this isn't a clear case, so let's see what this is. Oh, it's kind of a smoke-colored TPU case, so it's pretty nice that they include that. We've got a warranty card and a user guide. And then we've got a wall plug. Now, this won't work in the United States, but it's just USB-A, so I could use something else. And then also we've got a nice USB-A to USB-C adapter. So that's pretty nice. So looks pretty nice. I'll take a look at this probably closer in a different video. If you'd like to see that, let me know in the comments below. You'll see here's what the screen looks like. So it's running MIUI 10. So that's pretty nice. But let's go ahead and unbox this scooter. So let's go ahead and open up this scooter and see what we've got here. Now, I removed the scooter from the box and I assembled it. The only thing you have to assemble is the handlebars. So they screw into this here. They give you 4 screws and a little Allen tool here, or hex tool. And then also you've got your power adapter, you've got your manual, but they also include some tires as well. So this was kind of interesting. There's some tires in here. They're wider tires than what's already on there. So we've got those. And then the final thing they include is a way to blow up those tires a little bit easier. So you've got a little extension for that. So it's pretty interesting. That's all it is. And I'm going to try this out and see how it goes. Now on the top, you have the button to turn it on. You have your accelerator here. Then you have a bell. And then you have a brake. So what you need to do is get on the scooter and then push up to about a couple miles per hour and then push the accelerator and it will go. So let's check this out. That's it for the Xiaomi mystery box. If you'd like to check out any of their products, I'll link them in the description so you can see it yourself. And if you'd like to see a link to that event to see if they're going to beat that world record, I'll link that in the description as well. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.